This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact surface model in Serial so you get the correct image. Once done, download the matching recovery image on a separate PC. Make a bootable recovery USB of at least 8 GB and format it FAT32 or NTFS, and label it recovery so you don't overwrite the wrong drive. Make sure the Surface has over 50% battery and remove all external drives and peripherals. Then power off the Surface completely and leave the USB inserted before the next step. Once the USB is inserted, press and hold the volume down button, then press and release power to trigger the boot options. Release volume down when the Surface logo appears. From the boot menu, choose the USB device to launch the recovery environment. Follow prompts to apply the recovery image. You can select Full Restore that removes partitions or choose to keep data if that option is available. Let the tool write the image completely. Interruptions or removing the drive during writing can corrupt the install. After the image writes, the Surface will restart and perform initial configuration. The first boot can take 10 to 20 minutes, so be patient and follow the out-of-box setup prompts. Make sure to sign in with the Microsoft account tied to the device so digital entitlement and some device settings return automatically, and then check Windows Update for driver and firmware updates. If the device fails to boot or errors occur, recreate the recovery USB on another computer, try a different USB port, and run UEFI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.